So, hey, this is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, share, comment. Most of all, subscribe and share my videos. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. So, today we're working on a 2.4 Ecotech with direct injection. We've already got the head off all that. I was looking at this. We were trying to separate these little clips that we separated that we're going to have to bend back on that one anyways. That is not how you do it. You just take out the bolts that hold it in there. I know it probably seems self-explanatory now. And just give her a couple little taps. She comes out. Be gentle with it because you don't want to break it. And there was something that
right there goes around the bolt set.
Make sure you don't lose them. And then they go inside there. Jeff put that right back down inside there.
And that one.
And that one inside there. So, hopefully that was helpful. Like, share, subscribe. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you. Have a great day.